4L60 here. We'll be removing the oil pump right there. Sheesh, look at that right there. All that metal. All right, here she is, turn around. See, everything's out of there. And take off this oil pump right here. Okay, I'm trying to do this with one hand. They're all 7/13 millimeters right here. So let's see. Oh, not too bad. Kind of sucks on the camera. Oh, forgot. Be right back. Okay, now that the bolts are off, before you try prying this thing off, make sure you take this ring off, or you're gonna be sitting there mad. This thing will not come off if you don't take this ring off. So, be right back. Okay, ring off. Now to pry this off, you gotta be careful. The gasket's right here, and you don't wanna mess up the casing. So what I do, I just kinda gently pry it like that. Pops right out, you see that? Nice and easy. Right. Flipped it around so you can see a little better. So once it's like that, I just grab this with the rag and I just pull it. So the gasket's already ripped in there. All right, here we go. Pump off. Look at that, baby. All right, so you see that right there? That's the band anchor. Can't really see. Oh, there it is. That right there is that right there. Make sure you pull that off before you try to pull this, or you're gonna be fighting this thing like crazy. Trust me. Been there, done that. So what I like to do is just kind of come in here with the screwdriver. I'm gonna need both hands for this. I'm gonna be back, and I just pry this thing out of there. All right. You're gonna notice it pop out like that. I'm gonna just pull it out. There we go. And then, once that's out of there, it should be free. Just grab a rag and pull this baby out. There she is. Got the reverse drum, 3/4 clutch pack out of there. Got the band right there. I'm gonna be stopping for right now. It's 2 a.m. I gotta get some rest. Be going and taking all this out, leaving the bare case. So if you guys want to watch that, just go ahead and comment below. You want to watch that? I'll be more happy to record it. Yeah, thanks for watching.